Welcome to Healthy Living Hacks, your ultimate guide to achieving a better lifestyle with simple and effective tips. Hey everyone, we're here to share some of our favorite healthy living hacks that have completely transformed our lives. That's right, we used to struggle with making healthy choices, but not anymore. These hacks have made it so easy. First up, smoothie prep. I like to pre-cut and freeze my fruits and veggies in individual portions. That way I can just grab them from the freezer and blend up a delicious and nutritious smoothie in no time. Next, we have the power of group workouts. Exercising with friends not only makes it more fun, but it also helps keep you motivated and accountable. Plus, you get to enjoy some quality time together. And let's not forget about the importance of mental well-being. Taking just a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness or journaling can make a huge difference in reducing stress and improving overall happiness. Lastly, meal planning is key. By taking some time to plan out your meals for the week and make a grocery list, you'll save time, money, and avoid the temptation of unhealthy takeout. And there you have it, folks. With these easy tips and tricks, you can start living a healthier and happier lifestyle today. Thanks for watching Healthy Living Hacks. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to stay healthy and achieve success. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your friends. Let's win together. Cheers to a better lifestyle.